Duck. Down, up, down. Up, down.
Can you tell Mommy Cinderella?
La.
Can you tell Mommy Snow White?
La.
Tell Mommy Tarzan?
Down.
Beauty and the Beast? Tell me the Beast? And how about Belle?
Bow.
Very good.
Up, down. Up, down.
What does the bee say?
This.
Buzz, very good. What does a chicken say? What does a cricket say?
Up, up.
Chirp, chirp, good job. What does a lion say? What does the cow say? What does a horse say? What does a piggy say?
Up.
What does the rooster say?
Two.
What does the froggy say?
Blue.
Yeah, that's right, yellow. 2 little monsters are
And
green. 3 little monsters are pink. Very good. 4 little monsters are
red.
no. What color are they?
Orange.
Orange. 5 little monsters are white. Rin 2. And who's that? Who's that?
Two.
Totally. And who is this? Who is that?
And
Thailand. Ah. And who is this?
and
Mr. Sun. And who's this?
hello.
Ho ho. And who's this?
Two.
Rin 2. And what is this?
Hello.
Flower, did you smell
To
it?
be an ogre. This. This.
What's your name?
Nana.
And how old are you, Nora? 1. How big are you? Show me how strong you are.
Ooh.
Ew. Is that gross?
No. No.
No.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Gross.
This. This. This.
What's Casey doing?
Happy.
Sleeping. Very good. Say hi, Mom.
Mama.
Say hi, Papa. And blow kisses to Maggie.
Ice.
Ice, yes. Ice is cold like ice, right? What is that called? What are you eating?
Butter.
Popsicle. Very good.
Happy. Happy.
Happy. Sad.
What are you
Aw,
eating?
what else?
Baby. Baby.
Ruby, take a bite. Is it good? Is it yummy?
Jake, leave me alone. I'm eating.